everybody. Welcome to Virtual Garlic Fest weekend. We sure wish you were downtown with us stinking on the streets, but we're making sure you can have stinky garlic fest at home. We're here at Antonio's on South 3rd Street, where Chef Pat's going to show you how to make some stinky goodness at your own house. Hey everybody, happy Garlic Fest weekend. So we're so sad that we can't have a Garlic Fest for you to come to, but that doesn't mean we can't bring Garlic Fest into your house. So we have partnered up with some of our best Garlic Fest chefs. They're going to show you how to make wonderful garlicky, delicious meals, and you're going to be able to make them at home for your friends and family. So this is Pat from Antonio's, and I think you have some wonderful garlic sliders on board for us.
Good morning, welcome to Garlic Fest weekend. So we're going to make garlic steak sliders today. So we're starting out with a piece of dough, floured up. Cut it up. Put the flour on your foil. Usually cut this piece of dough into 6 pieces. Just quickly just put them right, literally tie them to a knot. With a piece of string. So, potatoes, I'm going to bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes at 475 degrees. And at the end of 15 minutes, this will be your final product. You have a garlic knot. What we'll do, so simply take your garlic knot, cut it down the side, open it up, 2 pieces of provolone cheese, a little steak, throw a skewer in there, hold it together, and at the end, this. Now, you have some garlic olive oil in here, sauteed up to a light crisp. Just take some of that, throw it on top. A whole bunch of goodness, garlic. There you go. Top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Fresh parsley, herbs. Serve with a side of sauce. And there you have it. You have your garlic knot sliders. So Joe, would you like to try some more garlic knot sliders?
You know I would.
Got it, enjoy.
My gosh, these are beautiful. Look at these. So essentially what we have here is something that's very fresh bread, fresh sauteed meat, all this wonderful fresh garlic. Oh, I'm getting a nose full of fabulous stinky garlic here. And so the simplest things make the best food. This is easy for you to do at home. Now there's a couple options Pat has for you here. You can come to Antonio's and pre-order the dough so you can make your knots at home if you don't feel confident making your own dough. Or you can call and Pat will make the knots for you, and you can pick up all your ingredients along with the pre-made knots. So without any further ado,
we also have other options. We have the chicken parm, and we have a chicken parm option also.
Okay. I feel like I'm at Garlic Fest. Oh my gosh. Chef Pat, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So, along with your ingredient list, you'll find contact information for Antonio's. Order the dough, order the knots, or order the sandwiches pre-made. Whatever you want to do, just make sure you have a stinky weekend.
Thank you.